Type Amazon KDP in Google search. Scroll down, go to KDP Amazon Kindle Store. When you come to this platform, then in the search bar above, you can type your phrase or title that you've already looked up in BookBold. So for example, I've got here coloring books. You see the circled result 20,000. So that's oversaturated. We don't want that. Let's type coloring books for adults, for example, 10,000, also not good enough. We need below 1,000 results. Coloring books for teens, also 2,000, a bit high. If you type again, coloring books for architects, the more specific you are, the better. See, the results are 236, so that's okay. That's a good one. Let's try future buildings coloring books, for example. 110 also available and not saturated. If I try a recipe book, 70,000, too much, but if you go more specific, like recipe book for housewives, see it dropped down to 120. So that's how you refine your search.